Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. The neighbor next door at the duplex, the rental property we are working on, is cleaning out his house, and my husband sent me these pictures and told me to bring the truck. This guy is throwing the stuff away. I jumped in my truck and took off. So these chairs, the internet says they're Eames or Ames or I don't know, whatever you want to call them. These are the same chairs and they are showing sold on eBay. I don't know what they sold for, but they were listed for this much and took the best offer. I really, really like the style of these chairs. I don't think I'm going to sell them. I'm going to hold on to them. But if I did, I have all of the pieces, and look at what those pieces are going for. I also have the backs and the seats already removed from the chairs, and look at what they're going for. But they're all molded wood. They need a little bit of help on the legs, a little steel wool, I think. I don't know. I'm not ready. I got a lot going on. I'm not ready to work on them. But I got these really cool chairs. I also got another kind, 4 of them. I actually had to pay up for those, but I'll show you those. The duplex came with these 2 chairs, and the guy had 2 more, and he knew I wanted them, so he charged me $10 each. They're not in this picture, but I did get them. I think I will refinish both sets of these chairs and sit on them for a little while. Here's the trunk. It's kind of cool. It's in pretty good shape. It's not all beat. It's a little beat up, but I think I could clean it up. It's, let's see, what happens? It was interesting what happened. Oh, maybe, there we go. And then you gotta pull these. And it's just a regular old trunk. But it's in pretty good shape. I'm tempted to keep it and store some stuff in it, but I don't know. I don't have any money into it. They go for about $40, maybe, 50, I don't know, brand new. I'd be happy to get $10, $15. I don't know, we'll see. It is currently for sale in my booth at Dragonfly. Then I got this old pachinko, I think is how he pronounced it. But apparently, there's supposed to be some kind of ball bearings or I don't know, and to play this game where you shoot, I don't know. But I don't have those parts. So again, this was at the trash. I don't have money into this. I think if they're working and all cleaned up, they're not much more than $50, $60. So maybe 10, 15. Maybe someone would like to have it on their wall. This is also currently for sale in my booth. In this picture frame, I kind of dusted it off. It was so full of cobwebs, and the bottoms have kind of separated. So I cleaned off this one because I thought it was going to be easier than it was. But I need to really spend a little time on it, re-glue it, clean it up real nice. It actually had a mirror, and I did take the mirror, but it's not in very good shape. I'll probably look for a piece of art. It is still sitting in my garage pending a cleanup and an application of paint. This yellow table. It is, I thought it was metal, but maybe it is metal. My husband said maybe it's fiberglass. I think I'm going to hold on to that. I need a paint table. It was going to the trash, so I'll probably turn that into a paint table. As a side note, the guy told me he studied for his medical exams at this table. I also picked up this heavy-ass side table and the little green crate. I already put those in my shop. The green crate sold the day I put it in. A long time ago, an old junk man named Kenny, he actually owned the shop of the first place I had a booth, and that was back in, I think that was in 2005. He told me this little saying that has stuck with me ever since. Like, it's my motto when junking. He said, it's not how much money you get for your item, it's how much money you paid for your item. And I'll be honest, it took me a minute. I had to really think about that. But then the easiest way to explain it, it dawned on me, is if you paid $100 for something and you turned around and sold it for $105, you only made $5. Same item, if you only paid $5 for it and you got $105 when you sold it, that means you made $100. It's not what you get for your item, it's what you paid. Hence, free is my favorite 4-letter F word. Junk Shack, baby. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby. I hope you'll follow me on all of these other social media platforms.